everybody, it is April. I am in my craft room and I'm getting ready to go to Ireland. Now the weather in Ireland is cool. I think it's going to be just perfect. And one of my favorite sweaters, I don't know if you can see, it's got a hole. There's a hole. Sherry, that's Sherry's fault. There's a hole. And you know, I just really like this sweater. It's not too heavy, and I believe there might be another hole somewhere else. Here's another hole. Maybe this is the same hole. Anyway, I am going to use a product that I found out about during our retreat. These are panels, and they can be used for all kinds of projects. Here's one that I particularly like, and these are from Treasured Threadz. So here you can see you've got quilt blocks. You've got big quilt blocks, you've got little quilt blocks, you have rectangle quilt blocks, just all kinds of quilt blocks. And I was thinking, why would I get rid of this sweater that fits perfectly, is just the right weight, when I have all of these blocks or patches that I can use? So I want to choose one of these, and like I said, there are all kinds of them. This one right here, the one with all the little blocks, how cool is that? That could be a Barbie quilt. I would like to supersize that. Then you've got polka dots, gingham. I mean, just look. This is another one of the little, they look like 5-inch squares just in miniature. All kinds of things. You can use these for patches on denim jackets, patches on a sweater. You can use them for applique on your quilt. Just endless options. This is kind of a rodeo theme we got going on here, with the rodeo and the music and the cowboys. You know, anything you could think of probably. And the nice thing about this, there's an old car, is that it's appropriate for your guys that might need a patch on jeans, or you may just want to put a decorative piece of fabric on your back pocket of your blue jeans. You know, torn jeans are great, but you can put patches where there aren't even tears, and you will be styling. So let's sit down at the sewing machine. Let me pick out which of these I want to use, and let's patch that sweater so that I won't get cold in Ireland. Okay, so I need to pick out what patch I want. And I want paisley. I've picked out my patch. I have started using the blanket stitch, and now I am stitching this on. Okay, how cute does that look? Look at how cute. Now I want to do something else. Look, I found another hole. Yay, found the hole. Okay, so now I want a flower on this one. Covered up the second hole in my sweater with this cutie patootie. Oh look, and there's another hole. I just, look at this, see? This sweater, I swear. But you know what? Let's see if we can overlap some patches. How cool would that be? Hey! Now I'm kind of thinking I don't want to find any more holes. There's a hole. So here is how I stitched it. How cool is that? I'm loving it. Okay, no more holes. I'm not seeing any, and I'm gonna stop looking. All right, here is my sweater. I am going to try it on so that you can see my sweater. How cool is that? Double patch. I will trim these threads. And on the back, can you see it? Where'd it go? I don't know where it is. There it is. There it is. Okay, I kind of have to, I'm gonna strike a pose. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Eat some chocolate and be kind to everyone. And, you know, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you when I get back from Ireland in my bougie sweater. Bye.